So let's see the kitchen section in IKEA. So this one, the plates, this is around no, this is for this shelf 4500, and this is costing around 499 rupees, this set in IKEA. And this is the airtight container, and this one is around 4999. Here also we can see some airtight container in the kitchen, this one, and this is around 179 rupees. And then we got some steel containers here. As you can see, the steel container here, and this is around 249 rupees. And this is one more type, airtight container, and this is again around 249 rupees. And some more kitchen stuff, 79 rupees. This is a bigger one. We don't have any spare pieces. And some more airtight containers here. And these are again the bigger ones, and this is around 199 rupees. It's over here, these things. And this is some more airtight containers. So this section is all about airtight containers, and we can see these kind of jars, the plastic lids. It can be kept like this also, and we can open this. And then we can see the plastic dabbas over there, which is having 279 rupees. And this is again a big microwavable plastic, 199 rupees. And we got some more containers, 249 rupees. And some more plates and everything. It's for 250 rupees. And this is a tempered glass, 199 rupees. Some bags over here. Some bottle, plastic, 149 rupees. Straw, 499 rupees. This one. This is again 199 rupees. And this is for the kitchen sink, where we can put it. And this is 149 rupees. Again, as you can see here. So this is full and full kitchen section. And now as you can see, the beaters, plates, everything. This is around, these foldable things around 699 rupees here. These foldable things. These things are around 699 rupees. Dish strainer order line. This one. 1890. And this is for the gloves. It is much required. And this anyway I'm going to purchase. I think it's around 119 rupees. 119 rupees. Scrubbers and everything. 59 rupees. 99 rupees scrubber. The scrubber is 99 rupees per piece, per 3 piece. 3 pack it is 99, not 1, 3 pack. And we can see hand wash and everything. These are the hand washers. And these are glasses, 249 rupees glasses. Spatula kind of thing, 149 rupees. Let's go to the other section. The blade. As you can see the blades here, different types. All the price also you can see. Meat chop knives. It's cutting, table cutting. And this is for, yeah, and we can have a knife set. So this chopping set 1200. It's 2090. $699. Oven set $899. This is the bowl, microwavable bowl, $499. Oven gloves again. Mixing bowls, 99 rupees. The oven gloves, I think it is 99 rupees, I think so. Full and full kitchen things. Pressure cooker is also there. This is 2,999 rupees, huge. Tea vessel, $799. Pressure cooker, the smaller one, $499 for this pressure cooker. Larger one for storing the pot, the steel pot. So full and full kitchen setup in IKEA. So that's it about the kitchen vlog of IKEA. Thank you guys. So if you like the video, do share, subscribe and like, and keep supporting us by commenting on what need to be improved. Thank you and see you in the next video.